Every college kid makes this one plan that's never executed. This one place they all wanna go. And mostly it's a trio group. You know what I'm talking about. यार पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बजट का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है यार. इतना दूर क्यों? माथेरान नहीं जाते हैं ना. So before this was the new world normal, my friends Zamir, Bhagat and me decided that no excuses, we'll be going to Goa in a budget of just 5,000 rupees, and nothing was gonna stop us. And this vlog series is just about that.
So basically I have to meet Zamir and Bhagat at Bandra station, but I guess I'm late, and I just hope we don't get late to reach CSMT station because our train leaves from CSMT station. So let's see now.
So basically all three of us had to meet at Bandra station. From Bandra station we would take a train and reach CSMT station because the main train for Goa is at CSMT station.
Wow, so smart, Zamir.
Now our train ticket cost just 215 rupees, which is pretty amazing. Just reaching Mumbai to Goa, if I saved my everyday vada pav rupees, I could reach from Mumbai to Goa. The only catch here was that we had to travel in the general compartment. Yeah, and that's because we did most of our planning on the spot. So I'm sure you can get a better seat for 250 bucks or so.
क्या क्या भगत से बोला व्लॉग करने?
ये भाई रे
नहीं अब तो सीरियस हो गया मैं.
ठीक है बना.
कैसे? क्या हो गया? तो ज़मीर कैसे फीलिंग्स आ रहे हैं आपको? इतना मस्त कंपार्टमेंट में. हाँ देख ना. तो बैठ क्यों नहीं रहा है? ओह ये जनरल कंपार्टमेंट. ये ज़मीर का बैग, ये भी ज़मीर का बैग, वहाँ पे भगवती का बैग और नीचे मेरा बैग. बस चल गोवा. ज़मीर तू फैजू को जानता है? फैजू को पहले तो मिला था मैंने. अरे ये फैजू की बात कर रहा है कि अरे चेहरा देखा ना आपका, चेहरा देखा ना. अरे ये वीडियो में कितना फनी लगेगा. ओह वो आ गया है. तेरी मम्मी भी देखती है मेरा व्लॉग्स.
हमको मालूम नहीं कैमरा है.
अब तो खुश हो भाई.
भाई मिल गया. क्या मतलब? अच्छा और कितना टाइम बाकी है? 5 घंटे. मतलब कितना बाकी है? और नहीं अच्छा कितने से खड़े हैं? 11 से खड़े हैं ना भाई. 1 2 3 4 5 घंटे होगा. इतना कम लगता है वैसे. मैंने कहा मतलब सदियों से खड़ा हूं. और कितने खड़े रहना है? 1 2
नहीं मिल जाएगा, सीट मिल जाएगा फिर.
मतलब और कितना रहना है ट्रेन के अंदर?
हाँ
1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा 4 घंटा 5 घंटा.
भाई ये फ्रेम बहुत सही है. बेसिकली ज़मीर का हालत और भगत का हालत अब ऐसा हो गया है. उनका बैटरी 0% हो गया. दे आर प्रैक्टिकली लाइफलेस नाउ. It's going to be 7 AM and that's the fog right there. We are right now at Rajapur. Our train just stopped, halted here. And man, we are tired AF. बहुत कुछ बोलना है तुम लोग को, बहुत कुछ स्टोरीज बतानी है. Just ट्रेन में वापस जाता हूँ. Let's reach the final destination and I'll make an amazing vlog for you guys. But this is how it looks at Rajapur right now. It's going to be 7 and 10 minutes. So we reached Tivim station at 9:30. So basically 11 PM का ट्रेन लिया था CSMT से. We reached morning 9:30. So 10 hours journey तो यहाँ पे हो गया. And the journey was I wouldn't say fun. It was a real struggle. So basically why it was a struggle is because we reached half an hour early to CSMT, but believe me, even half an hour was not enough, because we found a way to reach, let's say, Goa in just 215 rupees. So there are pros and cons to it, right? So the pros is you reach there in a super budget, but the con is the struggle is real if you don't plan things well, and I think we screwed up there. So what we should have done is, if you're coming and catching a train, let's say we got the Konkan Kanya Express. We got the Konkan Kanya Express. So that leaves CSMT by 11 PM. You know, reach there 2 hours before, because if you reach there 2 hours before, then you can just get seats in general compartment. So that's what we did. We took a general compartment ticket, so that's why it's so cheap. But if you come there 2 hours before, you'll get a good seat.
So basically the place where we were going to stay was near Calangud beach. So from Tivim station to Calangud beach we had to take like 2 buses or so to reach there, and initially we had planned to save a lot of money. So we thought that we'll just cook our own food in the afternoon, and that's basically what we were trying to do now.
अरे क्या? नहीं ये तो बन रहा है
खाना बनाएगा भाई, ये दब रहा है,
ये तो बन रहा है भाई।
जो दब रहा है उसको नहीं कर, इसकी जरूरत है कभी, वो लास्ट में फ्रेश है लास्ट। अबे तूने करी भी तो लिया ही नहीं, फिर उससे लिया है ऐसा बंदे ने। हाँ तो वो ले बाहर निकाल कर रखना, लेकिन पहले अपने को इसको मतलब ठीक है, रिलैक्स कर ली ज्यादा, उसने कर ली ज्यादा ही नहीं।
माँ कसम,
ठीक है कोई नहीं, वैसे भी चलेगा
भाई। पैसा
लिया ना इसके 10 रुपए लिए।
नहीं बे, उससे पैसे लिए थे एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग से, याद है? तू बोले धनिया भी देना और
ये भी कड़ी पत्ता। तो 4 दिन यही है, उसकी मारेंगे। अरे यार ये गलत काम किया है उसने, ऐसा थोड़ी यार, पहला दिन में तुम लोग ऐसा लूटेंगे। और ब्रेड भी देखना कौन सा फालतू कंपनी का है, नोडा फ्रेश। क्या नोडा फ्रेश? अबे नोडा
सेंसर करना पड़ेगा।
छोटा पैक बड़ा मजा।
देख जबी को क्या बोला था, एक कांदा ले, एक टमाटर उधर रख, नहीं कुछ काम नहीं करना।
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames.
और ये है आज का हमारा फर्स्ट डे मील बाय आवर शेफ भगवती।
बाय।
So I had to use this neon light to record this video. So basically I'm at Anjula beach, and I don't think so you can see anything here because it's super dark. It's barely 7:35. So yeah, I won't say this is a mistake or anything, but I think so now from now on we'll just visit the beaches at morning and evening. We should not be visiting the beaches at night or something. Or if we do, then we'll visit the beach which are closer to our house, like Calangud or Baga. Now after Anjula beach, we have travelled to Calangud beach, and so Calangud beach is near to our house also. That's good. So it's like 8:30 right now, and hopefully Calangud beach has a better nightlife than Anjula beach. So this is Calangud at night. So basically you can say this is Calangud's nightlife.
Close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea, you meant the world to me.
And this is how real life photo sessions look. Everything for the Instagram game. अभी हाँ बे सब ऐसा बहुत कॉमन पोज हो गया ये। I believe like this, the one which they were trying right now has become so common, but it looks good. So basically, it's obvious that Calangud it's commercialized. So yeah, it has a better nightlife than most of the beaches, and it's most famous also. So it was way better than Anjula beach. But yeah, so it's kind of irritating because they keep pestering you. Like as you keep walking, they'll be like, "Bhai hookah check kya? Bhai beer check kya? Ye check kya? Chalo baithna hai kya?" And we don't do that, right? At least like my group doesn't do that. So that's kind of irritating. But if you are into that also, this is perfect for nightlife. So yeah, that's there. And it like the whole beach is filled with what do you say, shacks. Shacks. So you can just chill there, and it's pretty nice here. So Kalangood is nice, but I'd suggest like you could eat your food, everything. You'll just come here, sit here, chill, talk, and just spend time here. That's what you can do at Kalangood. And there's this amazing tree here. So I'm using light from this. You can take pictures here also. Hopefully you can. Wait, I get amazing Instagram pics, so you can follow me there also at the Savage Vibe. So we come at Bar Eclipse right now to have a dinner. It isn't really what I expected because I'll tell you. So I was expecting like chicken fry and stuff, but यहाँ पे chicken fry नहीं है. So basically it's like chicken curry and chapati and normal stuff. So that for 150 rupees, and you have your veg thali. But so hopefully it tastes good now. So these are the dishes that we ordered. That is the veg thali right there, and this is the chicken thali right here. And veg thali में क्या क्या तेरे को?
दाल है, पनीर है, 2 रोटी है, चावल है.
Yeah.
चिकन में भी सुनने को वेज है.
नहीं भाई ऐसे नहीं है. So chicken, this is the chicken dish right here. This is dal and rice, roti and onion. This is for 150 rupees and this is for 130 rupees. And we are at Bar Eclipse right now. मैं तो बोलता ना पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए. जो भी पहले सोता है ना नाइट आउट का सब प्लान करके 500 रुपया फाइन. I am disappointed, Bhagwati. It's just.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.